The 200 amp 3-in-1 TIG welder by S7 offers remarkable versatility with its ability to function as both a TIG and stick welder in a single compact unit. This machine ensures clean and efficient starts through its hot start TIG feature, which minimizes defects and material waste. It supports TIG welding for material thicknesses ranging from 0.3 to 4.8 millimeters, making it suitable for both DIY repairs and light industrial tasks. The welder is designed with energy-saving features, including automatic voltage compensation and multiple protection mechanisms, ensuring safe and stable operation. With a high output of up to 200 amperes, this welder delivers reliable penetration across a variety of material thicknesses, accommodating both beginners and professionals. Included in the package are essential accessories such as a TIG torch, ground clamp, electrode holder, and tongs, allowing you to weld materials like stainless steel, mild steel, and copper with ease.